issued a tornado warning for northeastern Davies County, Greene County, northern Martin County until 10:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:31 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located near Lincoln, or 30 miles southeast of Terre Haute, and moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. In addition, at Midland, a rotating wall cloud was reported by train spotters at 9:30 p.m. Eastern